recording.
All right, what's up, Savages? So we're out near Yankee Meadow today in Utah, and we wanted to share with you guys our top 3 folding knives. It's not going to be crazy super exciting because it's pretty much all the same brand. I'm going to go first, and again, we overlap a little bit here. This is my EDC. I carry a Rajah 2. Now, if you guys have seen other videos, we've beat the crap out of this Rajah 2, and it held up. And this is actually the better steel than the last one. So my number 1, Rajah 2.
Sure. All right. Well, my number 1's obviously the Rajah 2 as well. The next one that I carry almost every day, especially if I'm out in the woods, is the Cold Steel Formax in CPM 3V CPM 20 CV steel. Stuff is bomb-proof, and it's one of the strongest locking knives, folding knives that's on the market. It's a beast of a knife, and I beat the heck out of it. It keeps going.
All right. My number 2 carry is one I carry every day as well, part of my EDC, and that is this Cold Steel AK-47. I used to do the Recon 1. For me, the AK-47 feels a lot more comfortable in the hand, and this is what I do for my everyday tasks. This Rajah 2 is like really just a knife that I would use just in case I needed to in a self-defense situation, but for all of my other tasks, I use this AK-47. So, comfortable knife, strong steel. This is the CTS XHP steel, so tool steel, right? So, this is my number 2.
That's good stuff. Let's see. So, my number 3 is this little guy right here. It's the Cold Steel Tough Light. Now, they used to have a miniature version of this.
I got it, yeah.
You got it?
My
Cool.
wife does.
Sweet. The miniature version was awesome. I really like this one because it's like a small box cutter. I never have anybody freak out when I whip out my 6-inch knife because I don't have to. I've got this little one.
Yep.
So I saved my 6-inch Rajah for when I need it in a self-defense scenario, something like that, or when I'm out in the woods. But this thing, I don't get my heads don't get turned, and I beat the hell out of it, and it still goes.
You probably use that more than anything else.
More than any other knife that I own.
My number 3 actually is something I just recently got, and it is this Cold Steel Finn Wolf. I got turned on to Mora knives a long time ago, and to me this feels and works just like a Mora. It's got a really nice grind to it. There's a lot of work you can do. They're not that crazy expensive, and for my number 3 knife, particularly if we're going to kind of be out in a wooded area and I don't have a Mora fixed blade on me, this is going to be my number 3, the Finn Wolf, Cold Steel Finn Wolf.
I got one of those, man, and I've just beat the heck out of it. It goes and goes and goes.
Guys, we really appreciate you watching. If there is a particular knife brand that you guys like or some models that you like that we didn't cover here today or you think that we might like, drop them in the comment section below. As always, guys, we appreciate the support. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you like these videos, hit the notification bell. We upload 2 or 3 videos a week.
Yep.
And go ahead and head over to the Facebook page, give that a like, as well as our Instagram. Thanks for all the support, guys, and as always, stay savage.